Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to all my regular viewers, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. So as usual, all the acrylics I'm going to be using today are from Glitterbels, and I'm heading down the neon route with this one. So it's quite a simple design. I came across it on Instagram. I will pop the description below of who was the original post of it, and I have just changed it up a little bit just to make it my own, because I never really like to do a total recreation. So I'm going in with Pinkerbel Cover, which was one of the new cover acrylics that I got in my last Glitterbels order, and I'm just going to place it in to cover the nail bed area and just slightly past where the natural free edge would be. Then I'll go in with my neon colours and I will ombre up into that cover powder. I really do love working with the Glitterbels cover core powders. I think the only one that I've really had an issue with has been the cashmere cover, where it's practically cured as soon as it's hit the nail, but with the rest of them you seem to have plenty of time to work with them. And in fact, one of the videos that I did last night, I was using the new nude blush cover and it is brilliant to work with. So I nearly have all of the Glitterbels core powders, so I think I'll do a video and just swatch them for you so you can see the difference in the core powders and which ones are covers, which ones are sheer. It'll just give you a better understanding of which ones you would like to order. So back to the index finger, and I'm going in with Lava Lamp, and I'm starting at the free edge and then I'll work my way up to towards the cuticle area, and then once I hit the point where the Pinkerbel cover sort of stops, I'll go in really wet and just feather the Lava Lamp up towards the cuticle. I always leave the ombre bit to the very end, that way I'm not worrying about making sure that there's enough colour on the nail, that all I'm really looking for is the ombre. Onto the middle finger now, and I'm going in with Queen Bee, and again you can see I'm starting at the free edge and I always work my way up towards the cuticle area. Queen Bee, I kind of think sometimes that it's a little bit wishy-washy. I think I might order the highlighter yellow and just see if that's a bit different. I think sometimes with the Queen Bee you have to build the colour up to actually not have it transparent. Onto the ring finger now, and I'm going in with Flamingo Feather. This is one of my favourite pinks with Glitterbels, and it's a colour that ombres really easily, but I still go in at the free edge as normal and then just work my way up towards the cuticle, and then the final ombre bead is really wet, and I'll just blend that up into the Pinkerbel cover. So onto the little finger, and I'm going in with the highlighter green, and first on this one I decided to try and get the ombre blend, but realised that no, there wasn't enough colour brought down to the free edge, so I've just went in with a little bit more, and then I'll do a really wet bead just to perfect that ombre. Now that all the coloured acrylic's on, I'm going in now and I'm going to cap all the nails with glass slippers. As usual though, I'm not going to show all the nails being capped because they're all done the same way, and I never like to have the video too long for you guys. Again, just to keep the length of the video down, I went ahead and I filed and shaped the nails off camera, and now I'm going in with my black gel paint from Your Sugar, and I'm just going to create some line nail art just to one side of the nails. Very simple, it's just a block design. So to do this, I'm going in with my striping brush, and I'm just doing a diagonal line from the side wall to the center of the free edge, and then I'll fill it in with the black gel paint with my regular gel brush. Just to get the lines really nice and crisp, I'm going in with a flat gel brush with some acetone on it, and I'm just removing any of the smudges or any of the gel that's outside that line. So to change up the ring finger, I'm going in with my own design, just so that it's not a complete recreation of somebody else's work. And I'm starting off by outlining the whole of the nail in the black gel paint. So I'm just going to let you watch me do the design on the little finger, and I'll come, or sorry, on the ring finger, and I'll come back at the end. So as you can see, it's just been a really simple design, and it's really effective against the neon background. So once this is cured, I'm going to go ahead and apply my matte top coat, and then I'll put on some of the rhinestones, only on the ring finger though. And here's the finished set, guys. I hope you've enjoyed the video. If you have, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, you can go ahead and do that now. And I will see you all in the next video. So take care. See you soon. Bye.